Welcome to the Rogers Kakasungura YouTube channel. This is the center of all the political information that you need in Kenya for you to make the right decisions and the right choices. If you're watching this, kindly make sure you click the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notification bell. We want to reach 500,000 subscribers. We want to reach 500,000. So please do not watch before you subscribe. If you're watching, first confirm if you have subscribed. It's absolutely free. There are no charges involved as long as you have your data bundles. If you want to support this channel beyond the subscription, there is a button there indicated join. Click that button, follow the procedure. Hapo tu karibu na icon, kuna button hapo unaona imeandikwa join. So click that button, follow the procedures, and in that you shall have supported Kaka Sungura. There has been tension in Kenya since morning. Kenyans have been speculating. Others have been giving false information. Others have been alleging. There is an aircraft that crashed today morning that had 7 passengers on board, including the pilot. After the crash, the reports that came out is a prominent politician has died. That is what Kenyans were speculating online. But then, Kaka Sungura promised to give you an update immediately the information is made available to us. And I can confirm there is information that has been made available to us from the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, KCAA. What are they saying? Allow me to read their press statement. Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, KCAA, confirms that an aircraft accident involving a Eurocopter EC-130B4, registration 5YGYM, has occurred at Lolokwe Mountain in Samburu County on Wednesday, the 19th August 2026. The aircraft was conducting a flight from Loisaba to Ewasonyiro when the accident occurred at approximately 09:13 hours local time. They released another press, the latest update that has come. It says, Kenya Civil Aviation Authority confirms that an aircraft accident involving a Eurocopter EC-130B4, registration number 5YGYM, operated by Lady Lorry Kenya Limited, has occurred at Lolokwe Mountain in Samburu County on Wednesday, 19th August 2026. The aircraft was on a flight from Loisaba to Ewasonyiro with 7 souls on board when the accident occurred at approximately 09:13 hours local time. So the newest update is there were 7 souls on board when the accident occurred at approximately 09:13 hours. KCAA is coordinating with the relevant agencies and stakeholders in response to the accident. The Ministry of Roads and Transport, Air Accident Investigation Department, is leading investigations on circumstances surrounding the accident. The authority extends its deepest condolences to the families of the victims following this tragic accident. They have identified the occupants And shortly, I want to read for you. They have made the latest. There's now a latest update of the same. Let's know who were on board. Wakenya wamesema kulikuwa na prominent politicians Kenya tena tutaingia kwa mazishi Kaka Sungura, I'm here to verify some information on your behalf. The newest update is all the 7 occupants, all the 7 souls in that helicopter perished. They died. That helicopter burst into flames and was reduced into ashes. The 7 occupants who died include pilot Joash Otran and passengers Roger Dwata, Adam Navati, Stephen Vasconguez, Henry Para, Michael Kontugi, and Suyan Suarez. Our wote, according to the earlier information, were tourists. So I can confirm no state officer, no prominent government officer died in the aircraft as earlier speculated by some of the bloggers who had unverified information. I repeat, all the 7 occupants who died include pilot Joash Otran and passengers Roger Duarte, Adam Navati, Stephen Vasconguez, Henry Para, Michael Kontugi, and Suyan Suarez. Hey, hawa ni Wakenya kweli? This sounds like foreigners. Because these names really sound strange to us. Like now the name Duarte, I don't know if I pronounced correctly, it's D-U-A-R-T-E. Navati is N-A-V-A-T-Y. Vasconguez is V-A-S-C-O-N-Q-U-E-Z. Henry Para is P-A-R-R-A. Michael Kontugi, I don't know, C-O-N-T-U-G-I. And Suyan Suarez. Those were the occupants in that helicopter. From Kaka Sungura desk, I say pole to the friends, families, and anyone who is related to the occupants. From the Kaka Sungura desk, tunasema poleni. We pray for strength. We pray for calm. And we ask God to give you strength during this difficult moment, because the occupants, according to the information, were reduced to ashes. Maybe a DNA is going to identify their body parts. Nisema hivi, in Kenya, we have had several cases of a helicopter crash. We don't understand exactly what is happening. Is it because we lack proper inspection of aircrafts before they take off? I don't know what is happening in Kenya. Kwa sababu, ukisikia, ndio maana Gachagua hapendi kupanda. Gachagua, yeye anasema mimi sipendi kutumia helicopter. Sitaki kukufa haraka. Gachagua severally said, mimi mambo ya helicopter, I don't want helicopters. And maybe from today's accident, this is the reason why. From Emurua Dikir's incident, that is a Joanna Ngeno's crash, Maybe this is the reason why Gashaw always says, Mimi mambo ya aircraft stuck. If you're watching this, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you click the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell. Let us build this platform together so that we can get a center of information. God bless you. Asanteni sana.